So, you're getting a brand new Samsung CU8000 TV, or maybe you already got one, and now you're wondering what is the best accessory that you can get to make your life a lot easier, and could even save you a lot of money in the long run. Well, today I'm going to share the #1 accessory that I use and recommend. No, it's not a PS5 or an Xbox. It's this $30 antenna that will transform your experience. In an era dominated by streaming services, it's easy to forget the humble antenna as a must-have accessory for your CU8000 television. However, I've recently been reminded of the benefits firsthand, and I 100% believe it is an accessory for the CU8000 that you need to have. In this video, we will unbox, review, and set up the $30 antenna I chose to buy, and also talk about the reasons why you should invest in this antenna after buying the CU8000. Let's talk about it right after this. Welcome back. Let's get right to it. In the box, you get the antenna, the coaxial cable connector, the USB cord to power the antenna separately, as well as some instructions. The antenna itself has an outer rubberized cover, which makes it more durable and waterproof. Installation is pretty easy. You plug the coaxial cable into the back of the CU8000 along with the USB cable to power it. Once that's done, you turn on the TV and then start scanning for channels using the autotune feature. Of course, the number of channels you get may vary depending on where you live. You should be able to get, at the very least, all of the broadcast channels. Here's some sample video and audio footage. Okay, now let's talk a bit more about why you should consider antennas. If you're a millennial or younger that grew up in the 90s, cable TV was probably the only way to watch TV. But cable TV started to get more and more expensive. Then, with the advent of streaming, consumers had a temporary reprieve. Now, streaming options have become much more expensive since their early days. Buying and using an antenna will allow you to enjoy high-definition broadcasts of local channels without the monthly expense that you may have gotten accustomed to. You will access not only major networks, but also a number of sub-channels, offering you a diverse set of content from classic movies to niche programming. Antennas also help during emergencies. If the internet goes out, you will still have access to local news broadcasts when other sources of information might not be available. Yes, most of us already have iPhones, but it is always good to have a backup. Another benefit of having an antenna is that in some cases, you can get better picture quality than when using streaming services or watching cable. The simple reason for this is due to the heavy compression of video signals. Finally, an antenna complements streaming services rather than replacing them. Streaming platforms offer an extensive library of on-demand content, while an antenna enhances your viewing options by bringing in live programming. In closing, this antenna strongly complements the streaming capabilities of this TV, while potentially giving you the option for better graphics. Let me know in the comments below if you lived in a house that had an antenna connected to the TV. If you got some value from this video, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to see some more great videos providing you simple solutions to your technological problems, as well as general tech reviews, please subscribe to my channel. This is JC Tech and Finance, signing out.